Yes. EAS. Oh my god.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Monroe County and northeastern
Severe
Pennsylvania
thunderstorm warning!
At 5:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was local per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Let's go.
Source, radar indicated.
This is what it looks like outside.
Damage to vehicles if possible. Wind damage to roofs.
I am shaking though.
Mount Pocono, Scotland, Henryville, Paradise Valley, Unalakleet, Skitoff, Tannersville, Mountain Home, Canadensis, Alpine Mountain, and Cresco. For your protection.
They are pretty late when it comes to this. It's 10 minutes late, so what time is it? What time is it? 5:15, so like
Flooding. Do not drive.